Let's see how to type anywhere in Microsoft Word. First off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, you'll see that we have a lot of paragraphs. And let's say that we want to type in a certain part of the document that we choose to. So let's say that we would like to type somewhere around this area right here in the middle. Now, there are two ways you can do this. First, if you want to type in the middle, let's say we want to put it around here. Now, let's go ahead and click enter. Now, let's center our text. And as you can see, it is now positioned at the middle of the page. However, if you want to select where you want to type, if you want to type in a specific area, what you can do is simply double click on that area like this, and your cursor will move to the area that you clicked in. And as you can see, you can now type your sentences. And that is how you can type anywhere in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.